Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make transparent background in Canva in a very simple way. You just simply go for your Canva. You can see if you open up any of logo, like I'm opening this logo, and how to export it as transparent is very simple. You just need to select this background as white. You just need to select this background as white, and then what you need to do, you just simply come over and to the share option, and then you will get an option called download. If you click on that, and then here you will get an option called transparent background. So if you click on that, and then if you click on download, you can see your background will be downloaded, and you can see that your illustration is, or your logo is downloaded. So if you click on it 2 times, you can see that your background over here is transparent. You can see. So this is how you can make transparent background in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.